Today's painting flowers pot hanging on the wall. So I'm focusing flowers and shadow. So I'm starting to sketch with 2H pencil. Today's materials: palette colors and 2 cups of water, clean water, and 2 brushes, and wash brush. So I'm going to mainly use yellow, orange, and burnt sienna and saffron. This is ultramarine deep. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I'm going to start to paint background first. So, if you have masking fluid, you can apply for these flowers. But I don't want to use masking fluid today, so just wetting the paper on background area. I'm using big wash brush. This is indigo mix burnt sienna. Here is a shadow area. I want to get little dark color, so mix indigo and burnt sienna little. So one more layer for shadow area. Look at my brush stroke. So I move brush stroke very quick because this paper is still very wet. This is first layer, try very light value of color, and then after a little bit dry, try again, make a little bit thicker color, thicker value color. So, and then just touch the center of the flower like this, kind of dot stroke. And for this flower, just waiting for dry this flower, and then final touch up little again. So move to on next flower. This I'm going to try same color. This is yellow flower, and center I'm going to make the little orange. So I put on the center of the flower. Next flower, orange mix. This is crimson lake. So I want to get red, very bright red color. So I put on this flower. This is my stroke. Is first I didn't wet the paper. So first this is little dark strong color, so get little water, so dilute here this part. Okay. This is a small bird. I'm trying red color. I need one more red flower, so I'm going to try this one. It's up to you. You can choose any color of flower. I want to try this white color, and this one is red orange. Next step, I want to paint leaves. So this is jet green. First layer is a little light color, light value. This is leaves. This flower is main character, so I want to paint a white flower, so just you can put the shadow color. So I'm going to mix burnt sienna and a little bit of bright violet. So indigo color. So light is left to top side coming, so shadow part just to touch up, and that's it. I'm going to add pot and flower shadow area, and then this shadow area. Okay, I'm done today's painting. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.